Moving now to the Motor City, and a renovation job unlike any you've seen before. Lori Pinson went inside the former Saturn Corporation headquarters to find out how doctors are leveraging this massive building to create better patient care.
Not so long ago, this building was the world headquarters for Saturn, a division of General Motors. When GM stopped production of Saturn cars, this building stayed vacant for years. But then, an idea. It started with a decision to bring several medical specialties together under one roof. The Wayne State University Physician Group, one of the largest private practice groups in Michigan, owned this building. They soon came to a realization they could provide better health care if they left the real estate business to someone else.
In our particular group, we made the decision that real estate is not our core program. So we need to take the money that we would tie up in real estate and use that to put it into practice, into equipment, into doctors. And so leasing is a better way to go.
We were able to take non-core assets and divest them and put that money towards our core business, which is operations, purchasing more physician practices, and expanding our services to our patients.
To help them achieve this vision, Wayne State turned to Physicians Realty Trust.
What we do is we provide capital. We don't think of ourselves as a bank, but we think of ourselves as a partner, one that brings capital to the groups, the needs of the physician group.
We're there not as their landlord, but as their partner. And then, we also allow them to be part of our company. We give them the opportunity, to take some of their capital in our stock, operating units. And so they can continue to grow with us, continue to be part of the building, but have the cash in order to do what they need to provide services for their patients. It's just been a fantastic partnership.
Their United facility in Troy combines as many as 12 different clinical departments, all under one roof, a fact very much appreciated by patients and doctors.
It's one-stop shopping is exactly what it is. For University Physician Group, now having one central location in the northern suburbs of Detroit really allows care to become much more cohesive. And by having the entire area on a second floor that allows interaction between the different specialties.
So far, 3/4 of the building, both towers, have been put to use. We're on the 3rd floor, currently under construction. This is the only area that still resembles the old Saturn World headquarters. Now, the plan here is to expand clinical space in one tower and lease space in the other tower to supplemental medical groups. Other expansion plans include opening a first-floor family medical clinic and imaging center to join the Maple Surgery Center already in place. Both parties agree it's been a winning partnership.
From the beginning, they've been very professional and they have been very trustworthy and forthright about what they can and can't accomplish. And it's been really a pleasure to develop a relationship with them.
It was such an easy transaction compared to all the other transactions that I've been involved with, and I've been involved in this business a long time. And they made the transaction so easy, stress-free, and that's what I really like about them. It's somebody that we will definitely be doing business with in the future.
We've changed a vacant building into a bustling building of activity that's producing money, producing services, and providing the kind of medical needs that people in Detroit need and love. That's a win-win-win situation for the doctor, for the patient, and for us.
Our greatest success as an organization is really in about 18 months, we've grown from $100 million in assets to over $1 billion in assets, really creating a critical mass that we can grow this organization for a long time and serve a lot of patients and a lot more physicians around the country. So again, short-term success, but we have a very long-term vision to build a great organization, one that works with physicians and patients in the communities they serve.
In Troy, Michigan, I'm Lori Pinson.